The makers of Aftermath and Megatron are proud to introduce Mentos. Mentos has everything exactly when you want it, exactly when you need to have it. Because it's white, Mentos goes with almost everything you can imagine. Coke, drink, soda, stuff like that. And here's some warnings for you. If you are under the age of 3, never use Mentos for Coke. You might drown in it. And never get Mentos blood and Coke. It might splash on you. And never eat it after 9 p.m. Warning, Mentos might include vomiting, bloating, cramping, and stuff like that. And you experience trouble sleeping, check your Mentos code book immediately. New white Coke Mentos.
Simon for commercial every single day.
It's never gonna stop.
Yet says it's delicious.
Well, let's see what else is on, shall we, Leo? Yeah, Ruff.
Hello, Andrew. Welcome to anyone to report of diabetes. Can we, go now? Yeah. How about the Mentos?